Okay, so I have my background, which is cardstock from my stash. And believe it or not, usually I have everything pre-planned and oops, sorry. And then I'm going to do whatever. So those cards are from the Project Life add-on kit. Sorry, Pen, but my leg is hurting. I have my leg propped up on the stool so he can sprawl out on my lap. Yeah. Yeah, he got a while back, or actually a year ago, he got sick, super sick. Didn't know what was wrong with him. He's very secluded, so that's how I knew he didn't come lay on my lap when I came in here. So I knew something was wrong, and then he lost his appetite. So I took him in, and he ended up with a clogged urine tract. I guess young male cats get, I forget what they call it, feline something, and they can get where they form crystals and their urine gets clogged, and he ended up I noticed he was having a hard time urinating, so I brought him in. Thank goodness his urinalysis showed up no crystals, so they basically just pumped him full of fluids and flushed him out, and he's good. It happens with stress, high levels of stress, so I don't know what stressed him out. So I've been trying to spend a little bit more time in my scrapbook room because he likes to he hangs out in my scrapbook room. He will come in the living room if I'm alone or if I'm in there, everybody's asleep and I'm in there. He'll come lay in there with me. Otherwise, if Alex and Mateo are up and about, he stays in my scrapbook room. So every chance he gets, he lays on mommy's lap. Yeah, he's my baby. Okay, so here's where I do my... Sorry. Took a drink and it went down the wrong pipe. And now I'm coughing. I'm fighting the cough anyway, and anyway, so here's where I put Jethro down and I do my mixed media. I'm going to use stencils and 3 different kinds of acrylic paint. I add stencils. I add stenciling to the background using a blue aqua or a blue metallic, a green, that yellow metallic, and then that green glitter, and then a pink. Whew. And then I also end up adding sorry. Huh? Can I have the other half of the food that we had for dinner? You kidding me? Are you hungry? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Kid is fed. We bought he likes croissants. He likes or not croissants, calzone. And so we bought pepperoni pizza calzone from the Walmart deli. And he loves those. So, this is him and I tonight. His dad is working, so he only ate half because he wasn't hungry at dinner time, but now he's hungry again. So he's going to eat the other half. Crazy kid. And then I like the Philly steak one. It's really good, but they didn't have it. They had the meatball. I don't care for that as much. But I had half of mine, and I don't want half. The other half. Anyway, still doing the mixed media. I'm almost done. I'm using my, I want to say this is Studio Calico stamps, using the green glitter acrylic paint and the heart roller stamp. To just make a big mess. And here's where I'm going to use the pink. This is the Heidi Swap stencil that I purchased from Tuesday Morning. And at this point, I can no longer see my lines I drew. And so now I am done with my mixed media. I did a little bit of, now I stopped the camera and of course let it dry, and I did watercolor. And I originally said, oh no, I just messed it up. But actually it doesn't look bad. And so I it looks good. So I'm laying down my die cuts are from those strips are just scraps. That hot air balloon I'm gluing on now is from a Project Life add-on kit. I just cut it from the card instead of using the card. Here's where I lay down my embellishments in that upper right corner and then say, oh, let me add some more watercolors. Now I have these watercolors from Walmart, and then I have American Crafts watercolors from Tuesday Morning, and there is a difference between the two. I have discovered the watercolors from Walmart are more chalk based, and then the watercolors from Tuesday Morning, which are American Crafts, are just paints. They're just watercolors. But the ones from Walmart are more of like a chalky base. They come, when they dry, it's almost like I put chalk down. I like them. So I was going to give my watercolors from Walmart to Mateo, and I did let him use them, but I decided that I'm going to continue to use them as well because of that they are different. And so the bows are from Maggie Holmes Carnival, or Carousel. I wrote Carnival, but it's actually Carousel. And then I don't put glue on the edges of anything. I tend to leave that for last because I never know what I'm going to tuck in. And now I have my title, and I want to add watercolor where my title is going to go to kind of help give it a place to lay. It kind of helps anchor it, so to speak. And so I use the pink, yellow, and green. And I use that in a variety of places. And so it's going to be a fun Sibley parade. And the words A and Sibley are American Crafts Happy Thickers. The word fun is American Crafts Crick. It's CRIQUE. I don't know how to pronounce it. Thickers. And Parade is from the Hip Kit Club exclusive alpha stickers. And they are pink. They are two colors. They are pink at the top and gold at the bottom. And so therefore I knew I was going to use at least those stickers in my title. So that is why I wanted to incorporate that bingo card and some other gold embellishments. And once I have the title down, that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks guys for watching.